So, cellular respiration. In short, oxygen plus sugar equals ADP, CO2, and some water. So, how does that work exactly? Wait a second, this reminds me of something. Inside a cell, any cell, there are mitochondria. They are very important because those are the things that produce ADP. How? It depends. Sugar gets into the cell thanks to insulin, then two ADP molecules are used to turn it into fructose biphosphate, that is then broken into two pyruvates, and then their phosphate is used to make two ADPs and two NADHs. And then they enter the mitochondrion and get to a mitochondrial matrix. Now, if there is oxygen, the pyruvates are oxidized and turned into acetyl-CoA, CO2, and NADH. And then the acetyl-CoA is sent through the Krebs cycle. In the Krebs cycle, the acetyl-CoA reacts with 8 enzymes that glue and unglue coenzyme A from it, and they also take some hydrogen away from it. This is to turn more pyruvates into more acetyl-CoA, and this makes some ADP, FADH, NADH, and CO2. The hydrogen is used to make the NADHs and FADHs, and then they get sent through the respiratory chain along with some electrons. That thing is between the crystal and the matrix, by the way. In there, they find some oxygen. It takes away their hydrogen and uses the electrons to turn itself into water. And the energy from that is used to send protons through the ADP synthase to make ADP and to make it easier for electrons to go through the chain. The NAD and FAD are just reused. If there is no oxygen, the mitochondrion can do one of two things. The first one is alcoholic fermentation. That's what yeasts do. This is a face, I swear! Here the pyruvates don't enter the mitochondrion, and an enzyme is used to break them and to make an NADH and ADP to make acetaldehyde. That then reacts with an NADH and another enzyme to turn into ethanol. And the second one, lactic acid fermentation. That's the thing that happens in your muscles when they don't get enough oxygen. It's very similar to the other one. The NADH is used to turn pyruvate into lactic acid in order to reduce the NAD to do more glycolysis. Alright, back to the thing I said earlier. There is sort of a cycle in plants thanks to photosynthesis. If the plant keeps on getting light and some nutrients, it can keep on making sugar forever. Because what a mitochondrion makes is what a chloroplast needs, and vice versa. Hey, wanna know something funny? The explanation about the Krebs cycle I made? Yeah, I had to sort of expose the whole thing for a competition. My team ended in 1st place out of 15, and yeah, that's pretty good. Mainly because it was rigged for the first 2 places, but yeah, pretty good.